Hello lovely viewers, today is going to be so hilarious and fun. Today, Ghanaians are going to say these Dutch words. Goedemorgen Mevrouw. Alles goed met u? Alles goed met u.
Hello, welcome to the Matter Gags. Please tell me your name.
My name is Joshua Mesu.
Joshua, do you have a nickname?
Yes.
Okay.
And you can call me Guy. Yeah.
Guy, let's go.
It's about to go down.
Jody Modern.
Jesus! What did you say?
Jody Modern.
Continue. No problem.
12 seconds later.
Jody Modern. Miovin.
Come on, stand here. I will lay you. Next time, use your common sense before you come to school.
Alex John meet you.
Wat zei je tegen mij?
Alex John meet you.
Prettig kennis gemaakt. Roeku.
Welcome to the Matter Gags.
Hello, welcome to the Matter Gags. Please tell me your name.
My name is Brown Randy.
Randy, do you have a nickname?
Oh, actually, no.
Okay, let's go.
Look at it. Goedemorgen Mevrouw.
What?
Goedemorgen Mevrouw.
Continue. No problem.
Alex Jomeku.
That's the way you talk. Repeat me.
Alex Jomeku.
Go and sit down.
What is your name?
I'm Mabel Siame.
Mabel, do you have a nickname?
Yeah.
Okay.
Expensive is my nickname.
Expensive, let's go.
It's about to go down.
Geodi Modern Novi. Geodi Modern Novi.
How can you disappoint me like that?
Continue. No problem.
Unless
12 seconds later.
God meets you.
Did you listen to yourself as you speak?
No, sir.
Are you finding?
Look at it.
Goedemorgen Mevrouw.
What? Wat zei je tegen mij?
Goedemorgen Mevrouw.
Continue. No problem.
Alice good met you. Alice good met you.
You got this, bro. Shut up, everybody.
Goedemorgen Mevrouw.
Continue.
Alice go.
Wait, what did I hear?
Alice go. Alice go.
Who taught you that?
It's you.
Continue.
I be good met you.
A word of storyteller. Are you sure?
We want to say a big thank you to all our subscribers, to our participants, and to everyone watching us. Big ups. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit on the bell to select all options so you'll be the first to get notified when we upload our videos. Like, comment, and share.